So FaceBase really serves as a one-stop shop for craniofacial researchers.
Although about half of all birth defects involve the face and skull, scientists remain unclear about why most occur. A comprehensive and systematic understanding is needed of how the faces of healthy children develop and what goes awry to cause common malformations. With today's improved technologies, researchers can generate many gigabytes of information in a single experiment on hundreds of genes that are involved in the process. FaceBase was created to integrate this information into a meaningful whole, while adding new data to form a more comprehensive picture of this complex developmental process.
Research in craniofacial dysmorphia could be accelerated and harder problems solved if researchers were able to collect and share their data and make it easier to find data that other researchers had produced.
In the past, research data was either not shared or organized poorly, with thumb drives lost in the abyss of filing boxes by graduate researchers long gone before publication. Some journals have ad hoc repositories, but are neither standardized nor connected with other studies. FaceBase is a comprehensive data repository that systematizes how data is presented. Basic curation and an underlying platform allow intuitive data entry with a wealth of metadata to add context and connections with other studies. FaceBase has become the standard in the field, adhering to fair principles for best practices in sharing and reuse of data for the craniofacial research community. Findable, accessible, interoperable, reusable. FaceBase datasets are validated and curated before release. Most datasets have multiple replicates to ensure data quality and reproducibility. FaceBase serves as a springboard for hypothesis-driven research, providing access to data far beyond what any one lab could generate by itself.
By sharing data at FaceBase, you have contributed to a platform where we can cross-reference each other's data and validate each other's data. You can use this platform at FaceBase as an opportunity to start future collaboration by working with others that will enable us to make discoveries that we could not do by working alone.
Submitting to FaceBase helps satisfy data sharing requirements from funding agencies like the NIH and from journals. Improve the reproducibility of your results by sharing well-documented reusable data. Increase the dissemination and impact of your research with full attribution, DOIs, digital object identifiers, data citation guidelines, and citation metrics.
So we've invested a lot of effort in understanding the sociology of the research community and the craniofacial researchers, and ensuring that control and dissemination and credit of the data is done in ways that will make them comfortable.
Over the years, we at FaceBase have developed a standard pipeline for data submission. We have streamlined the process and then developed training tools and also very standard protocol how to submit their data to FaceBase.
As researchers continue submitting data, FaceBase will continue to grow and become even more invaluable to the research community.
The technology that we're creating and advancing in FaceBase is being used and informs research in many other domains. And so what we learn from FaceBase has broad application to the advancement of biomedical science in general.
Someday in the future, that we will be able to connect all these data resources for people who work in any parts of the human body, and then make them into one comprehensive and also ever-growing data atlas.
FaceBase is really an exemplar of how science should be done in the future.